Hey everybody, on this video we're going to do some stock lock Sunday action here. I got a desk drawer lock which you might recognize from Jimmy Brooks's video. He picked it a couple weeks ago. I'll link it up in the corner here. And he sent it my way to make a key for it, so he didn't have a key. And I'm more than happy to do that here. And did some impressioning. And got some nice working keys here. I think he'll be very happy with. And I'll leave it locked here and we'll see if we can get it picked here. Try some bottom of the keyway with a wiper insert. Push on it with my palm here. There we go. And I got it unlocked there. So anyway, that'll do it for Stock Lock Sunday. And also don't forget to check out Jimmy's channel and like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And we'll talk to everybody later.